Hello everybody, this is Elad Moad here from Elad Reviews and welcome for a new video. In this video today I'm going to give you a quick review about a new software called Zest, and you will see what is exactly Zest. We're going to go over this software. You will see a live demo of me using this software, and I can also going to cover all the price and upsells that you can get if you will buy Zest, and I'm also going to show you my costume bonus page that you can see what is the bonuses that you can get if you will buy Zest with my link. So if you are ready for this video, let's get started. So right now you are watching my screen. This is my computer and this is the members area, the dashboard of Zest. So what you can actually do with this software is you can searching for some offer, building it an affiliate campaign, and then blast it to more than 100 free traffic sources, and you can do it in just few minutes, in just few clicks. You can create your campaign and blast it to all of this social network. So let's see how you can actually do it. So the first thing that you can do on this software is searching for affiliate offer. So the main free affiliate networks that this software focus is JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. So you just need to click on one of this network, and here you can see the sales page and picking your affiliate link. You can see all the hot offers from all of these free networks. So after you find your offer, you need to build your affiliate campaign. So you just going here, clicking on create new, and just you are filling all of this, and you are having an affiliate campaign ready. If I'm going here to the reports, you can see all of the affiliate links that people are built. So this is how all the affiliate links look like and how the affiliate campaign looks like. So after you are having your affiliate page, you also need to design this page. So here I can see all of these pages that people are created. So you just need to pick some template and then start editing this template and also adding your affiliate campaign. After you are after you design your page and adding your affiliate campaign, you're clicking on the social blast, and from here you can blast your campaign to all of the 100 social free traffic sources. So you just picking here your campaign, and then you just need to click on one of this network. You connecting to your account, and it will automatically post your affiliate campaign that you created with Zest, and with that you also creating a backlink to all of your links, and also getting a free traffic from all of this network. You can do it on one click. So this is the social blast. This is how you can get your free traffic. So another thing that you can do is a backlink automation. You can adding here your social account. You can adding in your Facebook account and Instagram account. You have a social posting, so you can create a post for your Facebook account, and also to create some engagement on your Facebook page. You having here a social automation. So in the social automation you having, and this is automation for Facebook, so you can connect it to your page, and then just let's say some post to let's see, for example, I can write, I having a new free software that drive free traffic. If you wanted, type yes in the comments, and then all of the people that type in yes, it will automatically sending them a reply with my affiliate link. So you can do it from here, from the social automation, or from the social automation. You can just pick the template that you want, and you can editing in a few seconds. You also having an email campaign, an SMS campaign. So you just need to buy some email sender or SMS sender and connect it to the API settings, and you can use this software also for email autoresponder and SMS responders. So take that from you can also use that for it. You're also having a link locking and offer comparison, so that you can compress between two offers. So this is the Zest. You can also see I having in an access from some of the upsells, but I'm not going to cover it right now. So I will talk about all of the upsells more few minutes. So this is the Zest. This is how the software looks like, and this is how this actually works. So now I'm going over to my bonus page. So this is the bonus page. This is my bonus page of Zest. If you want to go to this bonus page, all you need to do is to click on the link on the description down below this video. And if you want to buy Zest, you just need to click on one of these yellow buttons. So the price of Zest is $17. It's one-time payment price. You don't need to pay monthly for it. You just need to pay one time, and you get an access for this software. And when you buy Zest, you are also getting an access for all my bonuses. So let's go over to the bonuses. So the first bonus that you can get if you buy Zest with my link is a guide how you can get paid to build your buyer's email list. So this is some of the training that I have personally used to build my email list. So you'll see how people can pay to you to build your email list. So this is something that's really powerful and really good method to build an email list. And like all the people say, the money is on the list. So this is bonus number one. The next bonus is make your first $100 per day from your smartphone. So you will see how from your little smartphone you can make $100 per day, and everyone that has a smartphone, this is the right guide for you. This is bonus number two. The next bonus is how we make over $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook. This is a real case study that I have personally tested. So you can see how to make more than $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook. So the next bonus is my ultimate list of top products to promote. So this is a list of products that I personally test that having a really good conversion rate and also really good payment. Some of them is also recurring commission that you will make money every single month. So this is bonus number 4. The next bonus is how to write killer headlines that convert 10x better. So you will see how to create headlines, what to write on your headlines, on your sales page, on your bonus page, on your affiliate page that you also create with Zest. So this is something that you will need to know. So and the last bonus is an access to the mega costume vendor bonuses bundle. So the vendor also give some bonuses. If I remember it right, it's between 10 to 15 costume mega bonuses, and all of them is a training on how to get traffic, is software, is how to make money online. Really good bonuses. It's worth more than $2,000, and you can get all these bonuses if you will buy Zest with my link. So like I like I said, all you need to do to picking Zest is to click on the link on the description down below this video. You will see this bonus page, and if you click on one of these yellow buttons, it will take you to Zest sales page. So like I said, the price of this is $70, and you also having some upsells that you can actually get. So the first upsell is Zest Unlimited Edition for $39. The upsell number 2 is Zest Done For You Edition for $197. The upsell number 3 is Zest Automated Edition for $39. Upsell number 4 is Zest Done For You Templates Club for $39. And the last bonus is an access for 15 proven campaigns, and it would cost you $39. So make sure to also check these upsells if you will decide to buy Zest. You will, after you buy it, you will direct him to the sales page of these upsells. So let's see how the sales page of Zest look like. So you just need to click on one of these yellow buttons, and you will redirect to this page. And here you can actually see the sales page of Zest. So you can see here in the headline, one click activates autopilot campaign, sends 100 plus outbursts to them in 24 seconds. And if you will go down here, you can see some income proof, some from the creator Bill Dar. They're writing a lot of people that test this software, people that making money with it, some of the results, some testimonials, and from here you can actually buy Zest for $70. So make sure to also check this page. What you need to do is to just click on the link on the description, and you can actually read all the things on this page. So if you click on the button, you need to pay one-time payment of $70, and you will get an access to Zest and also to all my bonuses. So this is it. This is actually the end of this video. And if you like this video, type on the like button, and if you want to ask something and to write something, you can do it on the comments on down below this video. This is it for this video. If you want to see all my future reviews, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Alvarad, and I will see you in the next video.